It is December 16th, 2021, and we had another massive tornado outbreak. See, yesterday, most of these are from about 1:56 p.m. to about quarter after 6, most of them in Nebraska and Iowa. Uh, First, I want to point out some anomalies that I caught. We'll look at this is the true color and IR. You can see the nice square there. Now look at this heat signature that's getting picked up. I mean, that's giant over Nebraska right there. And then upon further inspection, let's see, right there, we can see what looks to be smoke feeding into this storm. Go over to the NASA World View and look at this. That. And it wasn't there as it was approaching. Look, you can see the nice straight edge square. Now, I've put up some fire anomalies, and you can see a couple here, but there's none here where the majority of it comes from in southeast Colorado. Let's look at this is upper level water vapor. And right there, see, they hit it, nice square, and they allowed, and then you'll notice this tropical flow is going clear up in, well, basically into Canada. Today, I think we're supposed to get close to 70 degrees in December, and it just explodes. And by the looks of it, it had smoke helping feed it. Right here's a nice interference signature, and we'll go back to the day before, and we just look at all the interference on the next rad maps. Look at that. Insane. And over here on the east too. But I want to know what caused this massive heat signature, right? Looks like fires. You can see smoke blowing out of there. Look at all the spray in there. And all this smoke comes right into that vortex. And then you can see a lot of smoke. Now I'm wondering if these fires are set intentionally. Look at all that smoke go. It covers all western Nebraska. Or is that Kansas? Yeah, my bad. That's Kansas. Look at all that smoke. Wow. And of course the nice right angle there where they hit it to wrap it up into a vortex. Look at all that smoke. Back to earlier today. That's probably right when they started hitting it. And all these fires broke out. Wish I could go back just a little bit further. Right there, there's hardly any smoke. There's smoke there. There's smoke. There goes the smoke right there. About the same time they hit it. Wow. And then that whole center of that vortex is filled with smoke. And then we got these massive heat anomalies picking up on the IR. Power outages, And, well, guess we're going to get like some nice weather on the East Coast because this tropical flow that came up over Texas and it's clear up into Canada. I also wanted to look at the pressures and the wind gusts, especially right when this started out. Right there. Look how close these isobars are right here. It's right where they hit it, right over southeast Colorado. So yeah, I thought that was interesting, this smoke here. Nice square. Nice straight line, right angle. But anyways, that about sums that up. We'll check in later.